It is a privilege to host representatives from Australia, Barbados, Cook Islands, Fiji, Guyana, Hawaii, Marshall Islands, Papua New Guinea, Samoa, Solomon Islands, Suriname, Timor-Leste, and of course, Vanuatu. Your presence here underscores the significance of breadfruit, not only to Tonga, but to the entire Pacific and beyond. This gathering is a celebration of our shared commitment to sustaining and promoting breadfruit, a crop that has nourished our communities for generations and continues to play a vital role in our food security, in our culture, and in our economies. The Breadfruit Festival 2024 is more than just an event. It is a testimony to our collective efforts to preserve our traditions, enhance our agricultural practices, and build resilience in our communities and across the Pacific. As we come together today, let us celebrate not only the rich heritage of breadfruit, but also the spirit of collaboration, mutual support that binds our island nations. It is through such partnerships that we can continue to thrive and ensure a sustainable future for all of our people.